Okay, this is our thermostat in the cooling mode. On this side, we're in the bedroom hallway. I guess it'd be the east bedroom hallway. But this is the humidistat. So we've got a humidistat. This is the return air right here. And you go into the hallway bathroom, and behind the door is another door. And this door is the indoor air handler. This is the fresh air induction vent. There's your filter, 20 by 20 by 1. I think you can get maybe a 2 or 3 inch filter in there, but by 1 at least. This is our data plate right here. This floor is kind of sloping down right in here. I'm not sure if it's failing or they just wedged the unit in and caused it to bow like that. Why does the floor look like that? Inquiring minds want to know. We don't have a care and use manual. Oh no, we don't have one of those? That's true, we don't have one. And then we do not need a secondary drain line because we have this safety switch, float switch. This is the primary evaporator coil drain line right here. It should have been insulated. Now this P-trap is called a shallow P-trap. Some manufacturers don't have a problem with that, and other manufacturers recommend a deeper trap. What does our manufacturer recommend? International Comfort Products, what do you recommend? Also, I know this is a new unit, it hasn't been installed very long, but its manufacturing date is 2020, so that's like 2 years of, since it rolled off the assembly line. Sat on a warehouse, sat in a warehouse, sat on a truck, sat in another warehouse.